Good morning, and how is everyone doing? Let me do quick settings. Today we will be discussing some psychology as well. But just give me a few moments, okay? Let me load the chart till then. You know, in life, relaxation is very much important, my friends. If one is not relaxed, not my friend, then there is no fun in life, okay? Trust me, I'm telling you the truth. When there is no relaxation in life, if your body is not relaxed, then it means that life is not going nicely, okay? Relaxation is must. Most of us destroy our own relaxation with our own hands. Yes. Sorry guys, these days I'm not able to come in the live session, in the London session, sorry. I should say the inconsistent trader and the loser trader come right here into this market to lose his peace of mind. What type of a trader? Remember, loser trader and the inconsistent trader. Loser is keep topping up his account and losing it. Frustrating. Take a break, start a new strategy. After some time, another deposit, another loss, another deposit, another loss, and the cycle continues. And by keep doing this, the loser get frustrated at the end. Okay? And then finally peace of mind go away. So when the peace of mind go away, there is no fun left in our surroundings. No fun. So peace of mind, relaxation, these are, my friends, very much important. I don't want to become a grandfather right here, grandfather giving lectures, okay? I want to be friendly right here, but believe me, what I'm saying is, my friends, 100% true, okay? You may believe, you may not believe. Yes. Truth is what you are going to get on Aftab Forex. One more thing I want to tell you, a member joined me for a one-on-one session, learned the strategy, and then change of mind occur. And then after the change of his mind occur, because I was in like almost the second week, I guess, so mostly in the first session I give the strategy. This is my fault, okay? I give my strategy in a complete way. Anyways, so then he again changed his mind and say I want to resume. Yes, my friend. So I say okay, welcome, but on any one condition. You have to promise, since you have paid, you need to learn it. Live, I am telling you right here. Euro USD I'm looking at, maybe I might be taking a sell trade somewhere right here, okay? Yes, if the rally continues down from here, then I may not be able to do anything. Then move to the gold. Let's recall first a little bit. What did I say yesterday, my friends? I mean, like literally. Wow! I should say this is fantastic market. How many of you were with me yesterday? Both worked okay. Both day trading systems worked. Do I need to recall it, or the yesterday's around 1 hour and 30-minute session was enough for this? What I said and how I found these levels and how I find this level, everything start till finish is discussed yesterday. And I am so much thankful to Almighty for giving me 570 pips of opportunity. Okay, and this breakout obviously was a fantastic one. 500 pips of a down. So a beautiful level it is, my friends. 4700. Now too many lines, obviously I want to delete this one because I don't need it. Okay, I want to delete this. I will be going for a fresh study. I don't need this as well. I don't need this as well. I don't need this as well. And I also don't need this. Now do you see my strategy works 100% of the time? Beautiful opportunity yesterday, beautiful market it was. Even today was a very beautiful market. Those who understand my strategy must have made this profit. And now market is on this specific breakout level. And let's delete these and this and this. Obviously, see this level we have found yesterday, a drop, a market go back up to this level, and then boom, successfully that 1100 pips was got. So the more thanks I say to Almighty for giving me this strategy, the less it will be. What's next, my friends? Have a look at it this way. Have a look at it this way. Do we need to say anything further in it? Till, and even I said this, see this level got broken, got retested, continue. Is there anything else beyond this strategy? Now you tell me. You tell me. This trend line was present even before this, even when the market was right here, this trend line was present. So one could easily prepare for it, and I assume most must have got 500 pips of a profit from this one and at least 500 pips on this one. But if one doesn't, they doesn't. They don't understand then. Let me head over to your chat. Good evening, HK Wine. Priyashu Mishra, hello. सलमान मलिक 02 सर थोड़ा रिट्रेस करेगा? बता रहे हो कि पूछ रहे हो? प्लीज आस्क मी दिस. टेल मी दिस. In gold buy you missed. Okay, that's normal, no problem. Why you missed? What was that reason? Let me tell you. I know. It's here. You missed because even earlier I was looking at it, but I was in a private session. So here and then here 30 minutes and then here. How many struggles it did right here? How many struggle? 1, 2 and 3. So finally it had to. Oops, what I just did. So my friend, you missed because you were maybe having a pending limit. Market gave right here good signs for reversal, and that's why I tell everyone to look for these signs, because earlier today what it did is, even let's say, even if it was like, even if one say I don't want to become bull below this trend line, so even this was broken, retested from right here was a good opportunity. But even this one, let's say our buying level was this, but when market tried once, then second, then he see third, and then this is the fourth, so the fourth time it has to burst to the top side. Okay, so try to look at these things and then you will not be missing these opportunities. Beautiful ones they are. So my friend, now the thing is, let me delete these two lines because my chart is getting so much messy. Okay, and let it be. My friend, I see this market is now going back to 48.96, but then on the H1, do we get anything as that? H1 bulls already took over, and now further on M30 people are waiting for a retracement as this. But this retracement, my friend, is there is deep psychology inside this retracement. Till at this stage I'm not saying it is happening. Remember, I'm not saying. But let's suppose if this retraces, we are going to be buying at this particular zone back till there. So this is now our planned trade for today. If we are successful, we will be getting it. And this is a proper pattern on the 15-minute. Now let me activate Epic Pen so that you understand actually this whole plan that I have in my mind. Okay, want to let you know. Yes, Epic Pen. Okay. So yes, on the 15-minute, my friends, it is showing this drop. Now understand this pattern, but let's wait for this epic pen to launch. Sometime it crashed my computer as well, but we should be staying positive. Let's see. Good. Understand this pattern, okay? You know, on what we work on these patterns as this, and this is formed from a triple. Usually we get double bottom patterns. This is a triple bottom pattern and a continue back up. Now it is showing us this, and this is 61.8% retracement. Now the ABCD pattern tells us, A, B, C and the D pattern tells us that anyone buying right here is having SLs right here below this structure zone, and this whole is a take profit zone. So obviously take profit is way too bigger. Okay, and during this time, even if one take it, the stop loss will be right here. So market can do some manipulation. So those traders who have guts will be following it to the buy side of the market. Got it? This is on the 15-minute. A nice double bottom, like two double bottoms I should say. 1, 2, 3. So triple bottom structure. Seems very strong. But the drawbacks, what I usually tell you is there is always seller present in the market. So right now we cannot ignore the sellers and their strength by finding out with this method, as this may be broken point and retest point. Okay, let me change the color. Broken point, retest point, and this as well. And this broken point is like these bulls were taking it as this. See, it was supposed to be doing this, because there was this trend line that got broken right here and market got reversed from the same place. What do you understand? So these sellers, obviously, since they are as this, now can plan for a breakout as this as well, by establishing a sort of a trend that will be looking as this. Okay, so one must always be prepared for these things in the market in advance, that okay, these are the possibilities. So then when you trade, you know everything. Your stop loss is at a good place, your take profit is at a good place, your entry is at a good place. There are no emotions, there is no greed, there is nothing. Pure trading, peaceful trading, I should say. So did you get? Now let's see. I was looking for euro US dollar for a sell from right here, but didn't get it till here. So let's see. Any questions for me, reach out to me in the chat zone. Volnis Volvic, welcome to the stream. Sell zone starting at 47.75, 77. Okay, 45.77. Where is that? 45 selling zone. What? Sell zone starting at Okay, you are looking at it a little bit on a bigger time frame. So that is let's see it that way as well. 47.75. 47.75. Okay, 47. Well, yes, that makes sense if you want to look at it this way. And yes, thank you for correction. Thank you for correction, because if we look at it this way, then yes, Volness Volvic, that is true. See, still this is a good opportunity. Okay, so then on the 5 minute it is for sure dropping, and on the 1 minute quickly scalping once with a stop loss of 62 pips, it can easily, my friends, give around 300 pips easily to the sell side of the market. 230 pips of a zone it is. And as soon as we get let me make it green. Let me make it green, dark green, so we know this is our stop loss, this is our take profit, and this is our stop loss. So stop loss is going to be, this is not a trade signal, but this is the stop loss. It's going to be here. Okay, this is the stop loss, this is the take profit. Risk is around 121 pips, take profit is 233 pips. Further dig down, well, if we further dig down, and if want to, like if someone want a very precise entry, then for a very precise entry should be waiting for this exact price point. During this time you can leave this like you can miss this sell rally, or you can get it from a better price with less stop loss. It's up to you, but a very sharp drop is expected in advance, I am telling you. And this is how it is, my friends. And immediate 24 pips of a drop. Further, let's see, this 230 pips is right here. Well, for a very quick scalper, somewhere near this zone can create slightly turbulence, quick scalping, like again 76 pips and this and that. But then I forget what I said, so I want to stay on like one plan today to the sell side of the market. Otherwise market's moving on buy and sell as well. So yes, this is what I want to tell you. Any questions for me, do ask me, because maybe now those missed out traders are thinking that okay, why we missed. So they are emotionally entering, but their accounts, like by the time when it go up there, it will be 77 pips negative immediately. So that's why now focusing on only the buys in such situation is a very crazy decision in such situations. And even if you see, this is like standing at a retest level, so this is also a little bit freaking to us because the H4 candle is as this. But any reaction that should be very quick. Okay, that should be very quick. And I think maybe those who are looking for a price action entry as well, then their stop loss is maybe right here. They have like pretty much 160 pips of a stop loss, and then targeting for 238 pips, 250 pips of a take profit. But we are for now, let's see, maybe till here is also good. 172 pips, initial one was good, But I mean, if the market was slow, it can immediately go up and stop everything out. So I just don't want to ruin my mood at this stage. I want to hold it as this. But yes, this level can make turbulence. 47.37 at the level it is. On the 1 minute now, let's observe this drop. I expect a Wu candle maybe, and I haven't seen the Forex factory today. Very bad habit. Let me check very quickly, then I'll be heading over to your chat as well. So yes, my friends, this is the Forex life. Okay, Forex life is this much quick and easy. 5:30 p.m. we have a final GDP. Oh, seems unchanged as per the forecast, and core PC price index month on month 0.4. So let's see what the New Yorkers will bring us today. Okay, how they will react right here, even in the global situations as well. Wow, fantastic drop it is, my friends, fantastic. Now till then I will read your chat a little bit. Who is with me now? Is buy zone if holds now. Will you be live trading? I'm live trading, my friend. This is live trading. What do you want? What do you mean by live trading? Scalpers already have this advantage that they are 52 pips in profit. What a scalper further want, my friend? 50 pips per day. Is this less? Nah, this is not less. This is more for a scalper from one trade. It got bearish all the way from right here back till here. This is what I know about this market. And remember, my friends, this pattern that I discussed earlier is still valid right here, 47.21. So I am thinking to take both of these trades today because it is dropping till here nicely. Even from the lower time frames we have got a confirmation. And let me see, I will be trading Euro US dollar on this account from here maybe. Okay. See, I said this 250 pips is very quick. Okay, this is very quick and the market will be very fast. From here now it is again showing us this, but let's see. Remember, like, if you can take 1 or 2 scalping trades per day, that's fine. But for example, if you say from from London open till New York close 12 hours non-stop, you will be scalping. No, you will get exhausted. Okay, you will get exhausted. Only 2, or when newcomers come to me, I advise only 2 to 3 trades per day. Okay, so those of you who take benefit of this whole rally, well, 230 pips. Now imagine for the rest of the week, even if you don't scalp, you have that peace of mind that okay, even if I don't trade anything, I have this profit made. Okay, so then you patiently wait for the market. You are happy, so when you patiently wait for the market, obviously when you are happy, when you are relaxed, and when you are peaceful, you will definitely get a good trade opportunity, and this way the account grow. And this is what I want to demonstrate in my live streams, by being completely like non-hidden from you, both in ways of jokes and way or personality or whatever, to be very much as a friend to all of you. Okay, sometimes I share weathers with you, sometimes I talk personal life things with you. So This quality I have adopted like from my school teacher in ninth grade back in 2004 and 5, 3, 4, 5. So he was a teacher, but we couldn't guess that he is a teacher. Okay, he was like our friend, but when he became our, I must say he was the best mentor. And the style that I do is I don't want to let you bore as well with these dry charts. I don't want to make you confuse as well, because people make you confuse. Now, right now I give you a challenge, go to my channel and see. You will see hardly any thumbnail on my videos. People make these thumbnails to attract you. Okay, so a thumbnail in itself is like to attract you to his video, so that you can watch the content. And mostly the content is scripted, made with AI. So you think, oh, how good this person is, and every content he must have written is from AI. So that's why I want to tell you, try to learn also to identify people who is good, who is not good, who is giving you value, who is not giving you value, who is wasting your time, because people out there will be just wasting your time. So my friends, always try to take care of your time, because time is money, time is gold. Yes, previous 20 minutes that we spend, we cannot live that moments again. Try to improve by 1% each day, my friend. Okay, make a list for yourself that okay, I overtrade, and this is like, if you see the yesterday's stream, you can just write down on a paper and see, I do overtrade. Aftab has told us this, when not to overtrade and how not to overtrade. The yesterday's stream we have discussed it and pasted in front of you all these lists, and step by step, one by one, percent by percent, be improved. Okay, try to make yourself improve day by day. Remember, my friends, an ocean is built of tiny drops. Okay, this human body, this hand is made of tiny cells. Rome was not built in one day. So my friends, this trade will be like in the whole NY session open, just like yesterday, but then that hit. For this whole week, entire week, check out each and every session and then see how many trade opportunities I give. Check out the previous one as well. Why? Because of the strategy. Because I have a strategy and I'm teaching it. Let me head over to your kind chat. If breaks bearish or you have already taken your position. Yes. Should we plan for buy 47.21 sir news in 8 minutes? Yes, we have in 8 minutes very good news, and that can shake the market. Okay, that can shake the market. Let's see if I get a chance. I will be trading euro US dollar, maybe to the sell side of the market. It got bullish. Okay, euro US dollar got bullish, so I think no, my friend, no. Maybe I cannot say anything. Seems bullish, my friends. It is showing a further up move till 158 pips. So let's see the bigger time frame a little bit. New trend we have established. This one, you know, this one market is now on this trend, bigger one. So yes, this much up it can go, but level is a bit deadly. Level is deadly. Now this market is standing for small trader to the buy side of the market. So maybe if the market is above this level, immediately it will be trying to grab the liquidity. I am telling you, because this structure, when everyone comes to the computers right now 4 or 5 minutes before the news, they see okay, there is a valid buy opportunity, so they will see okay, if there is more liquidity to this side of the market, we will be taking it. But right now I think liquidity is more to the downside of the market. To that side of the market, their targets are very bigger, so I'm not sure they will not be surviving in this news. But rest, this is the market, anything can happen. Okay, let's patiently wait for the news and then we see. Nicely it is dropping. Who is asking me? I'm holding a sell all the way from there. Okay, my friend, from there I'm already in 114 pips of a profit. But since those are not my own accounts, so I cannot show them. And on this personal account, I have not yet it's not yet ready for gold trading. Earlier I needed some money, so I withdrew that for the school fee and stuff. So now I have not much equity to trade. See, beautiful trade opportunity, my friends. Now even after this, someone say that my strategy doesn't work. My friends, that will be injustice. Still ready for a sell. Beautiful sell. I mean, literally beautiful sell it is. Extremely beautiful sell it is. Extremely. Not a trade signal, nothing. I'm just explaining the market right here. See this trend line broken, retested. No single pip it go negative and is 141 pips down, and it's going further down. So my friend, that liquidity is now grabbed. I think now is the turn for a bigger liquidity, so it can continue pushing up and maybe it can hit this level, and right here there is a lot of the liquidity, but it's doing all of this stuff before the news. Okay, so then our bigger plan may be on the news. Let's see if this trend line is then broken, then maybe the buy that we are going to be planning for 1000 pips or at least 700 pips, then that will be like a little bit compromised. But let's see, let's observe it. 1 minute left. Level is broken, liquidity is taken, so fresh people will come now. So let's see. I'm closing this whole deal for now. Okay, in 141 pips today is enough, and rest is running with 50% break even. Seems like the break even may not work. Here it will be stopped out. Yes, liquidity taken from the bottom side of the market right here. 50% might be compromised. This is a fresh sell level. Okay, I will be selling from here on maybe 1 minute or 5 minutes. Okay, 1 minute I will be trying to sell. So maybe till the next 30 minutes it will be trying to reach back to 47, 48. Let me quickly check the news and its result. Came negative for the dollar. Final GBP is 0.57, so gold may continue up, but all the market makers know this. Okay, so yes, if it is going up, this 61.8% retracement is 100% buying area. 100% buying area with fantastic profit. It can give 151 pips immediately. A bit more nice area will be this. Okay, this full study going on, 61.8% retracement. This one it is. This pattern, for those of you who join me right now, this will be this pattern. Okay, this pattern, one touch, second touch, third touch, continuation here and here, A, B, C and the D. Anyone want to contact me on the WhatsApp number, my friends, if you need any help, if you are keep losing your funded accounts and it's not giving any result. I'm taking fresh students. You have to dedicate 3 months of your time. News events still going on, aftershocks going on. This is break even stop. Okay, this is break even stop. Fresh seller can join from here as well again, but I don't want to fall in that story. I want to see these bigger stories today. As this, let's see euro US dollar. Did that drop? Oh, I think I missed, but no, my friend, it still seems bullish. Let's see. Who is with me in the chat? Do let me know. Final GBD came very negative for the dollar. But I think this is the best buying level then. Okay, this one. And currently the market struggling on retesting it. So seller, nice seller is waiting right here. Nice good seller, scalping seller is waiting for here. All of the levels I'm drawing is good for profit making. Do apply them with your own strategy, on risk as well. Not a trading signal, but this is just to give the right direction to all of you, because I cannot see someone not making a good return from Forex. Okay, my friends, I am your friend. Okay, I am who? I am your friend, sitting in this corner of the world, a pure transparent like a transparent water. Yes, we are Pathans. We don't speak false. Okay, we don't speak lie. We hate liars. Pathan, you just search. Do you know Shahid Afridi? He is a Pathan as well, cricketer. Record maker, the fastest century. Let's see, strong reaction right here. Let's see, but it has to deal with this 47.45 first. Because on the 1 second and 2 seconds chart, this is a proper nice sell rally that got become bullish right here. So it is going to reach to the next trend line. See, let me do it this way so that you understand. See, connect this, connect this. Now see, a break above this candle, a retest, a continuation, and when it hit, it will be again some broken level. We need to find these broken levels. Okay. Do you watch my streams later for education? I give a lot of the education in my videos, not just trading. Okay, I don't come right here to give trades mainly. I come live right here to give the right direction to everyone, to tell you the sell zone, the buy zone, then you can nicely plan your trades. How many levels did I found for you yesterday, from 1 minute to 5 minute to 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, each and every time frame, and all of them worked nicely. So still if you don't give me like or something on the stream, I'm not sure why. My friends, take life very politely, okay? Politely. Politely means politely. Some people are still holding cells. If one doesn't become successful and disciplined, that person cannot become successful. I can tell you. Let's head over to Euro US dollar if I find a trade opportunity so that I can trade. My friend, I just want to wait for some H1 candle confirmation. See, this level is again a trend line breakout level. That's why I'm waiting for it. No magic. Just apply this strategy, my friend, on your chart. Just do it once. If you don't fall in love, then tell me. And it is extremely easy. I should say extremely easy it is. Extremely. Okay. Just one moment, I will be right back. Just a 2-3 minutes quick break I want to take. Where is the webcam? Okay, right here. Okay. HK Wines, yes, I couldn't recorded a video yesterday because the market already moved from here. When yesterday I was looking at this market, let me turn on the period separator to tell you that yesterday's situation I want to recall. One, two, right here. I was like anyways holding this opinion, and when the market I was waiting for this zone, right? So I said okay, when it will be right here I will make a video, but what happened, it reverses from right here. So then today morning when I see it was almost right here, still this was like the first retest of this rejection, so I did nothing. But then earlier, like when I see this, then I said okay, now let me take some risk on a Fibonacci. So I took a position then right here. Initially it go like around 5 pips against me. The whole stop loss was around 35 pips for this one. I guess the original one was 17, but I place a little bit bigger ones. And then the take profit was then this one 19 pips, and then this one, okay, 20 pips. Did anyone catch it? 47, 48. Anyone catch this one? Let me know, my friends. My friends, there is a strategy behind these levels. Okay, that's why it works. When I highlight it, it reacts. That's why. Bearish engulfing on the 1 minute, good for scalping, but yesterday was a very educational session, my friends. Make sure to check it out. Okay, you know, I spend my mental energy on it to recall those levels and to then deliver it to you. It is way too hectic thing, my friend. See, 100% strategy I finally brought for you. Find two levels, wait for it. When it reaches to one level, take your direction, make profit, leave. Simple. Simple. It's going back up. Let's see if it go up. Those missed out can catch it from the exact price. Otherwise, sell is going on very nicely on this one. In the NY session, it can go for a little retrace. Let's see. I am personally on this plan. Okay, still this is my opinion till tomorrow. It felt right here that it will do it now, but what did I say? That no, there is one move left, and that move was 117 pips. Now again a lot of the things are involved. Maybe this candle come down, take a retest of this and then rejects, or can continue straight down. It's up to the market. Look at this arrow and look at this arrow. Everything I'm telling in advance, okay? Nothing is hidden. But I recommend to practice it on demo accounts, okay? At this side of my shoulder is some sort of, what is it called, cramp I should say, or like what? Sometimes it happens in the neck as well, when you cannot move your neck. So same thing happened on my back. That day I was having bonfire with my kids, so my sitting position was not good. So after that this problem is here. See what I said? It come down, take the test of this candle and continue higher, but these days gold move nicely. So still this is 45 pips of profit. A moment ago I said you need to be quick, okay? I always tell you, you guys need to be quick, okay? Now there is this move as well that can happen. So the missed out can now then nicely enter from there. And while still I'm having this bearish opinion, I'm still finding bullish ones. What is this? This is strategy. How many opportunities do you need, my friend? This was opportunity, this was opportunity. Let's say if we miss this, let's say we miss this opportunity. But I mean, like, maybe this level seems compromised. If we get even a candle close above it on a 1 minute, then the whole rejection will be from there. Let's see if Euro USD go up there. I'm going to take a trade live today. GBP USD nicely respecting the level. This one, see in the weekly forecast what I said that day, what I said. These days if you guys didn't make money, then when will you be making it? Because market moves very quickly. You guys can from 1 or 2 trades get 100-120 pips and just then leave the market, have good decent risk to reward and take it. This is C market. By the time this is so fast that people think it is dropping on us, but now personally I am used to it, my friends. Yes, I say no, if this is a level, then this is a level, and this is rule of thumb. This is a level, this is a level. If I'm selling, I will sell from there and this will be a level. So when I'm selling at this price point, I will be like, this doubt will already be in my mind, so then it can help me leave 50% of my position, so that okay, since this will be a buying level and if the bulls come on me till at this stage, it's okay. But since my entry is right here, if it closes above this, then it will hit my break even stop. So those 50% are now waiting for this level. That's what's going to happen. Fresh re-entry sells will be from there then. This is the logic, my friend. Simple. This is that simple. Logic, my friend, you need to understand it. I highly request you, please, if you want to become a good trader, watch my previous episodes. Okay, please. It's not boring. Just watch it. Just watch this week's live streams full. Okay, full. 2x speed, it's okay. See, you are roaming around here and there to find good mentors, to find good paid courses, to find good this and that. In the live streams, I'm giving everything free of cost. Okay, my membership is only for them who by a lot of struggle still cannot do something, so for them is my membership one-on-one. Okay, one-on-one, just like a doctor see his patient. So become a subject for me for the next 3 months. So this way I work. But in the live stream for random people, for you guys, I know you guys make good profits, but I think you guys need to see it. Most of you are also struggling at this stage if you see it with a micro lens. So yes, this was my little effort. This catch we could see, even we could see this one. So 150, then this one, then this one, then this one, everything we have seen. Okay, so yes, make sure to take a lot of care of yourself. Okay, and I'm ending the stream. My targets are already met, so I will enjoy the rest of the day. Who is telling me to sit right here in front of the PC whole day? No, this is Forex success life, my friends. Take